this sheet, and by the way, when I enter this sheet, I'll make sure I just at least record something so you guys know, because sometimes you don't know what assignment is what, and the video helps, because then if you just play the video, just see the sheet, you know what you're looking at. Okay, look, here you guys are solving. So remember, exponents and, yeah, ignore that. Okay, exponents and logs, the properties behave the same, okay? Okay, so look, like the retest you guys had and the quiz you guys had yesterday, if you have 2 to the x and you have 8, this is 2 to the x, this is 2 cubed, and so basically it says if your bases are identical, you can make an equation of your exponents. Logs and exponents are inverse they're inverse relationships, they're inverse functions, and so their properties are the same way. So if I have log base 10 to the x, log base 10 to the 2, guess what? X is equal to 2. Because log. And so in your property sheet, there's the equality rule. Log base b of a, if it's equal to log base b of c, a is equal to c. So yeah, you guys, one of you guys had that one question on there, and it was just, to see, but it behaves identically like the exponents. Okay, so using the equality rule, that's what this is, applying the properties and dropping the logs. I know they say dropping the logs, but it's really the equality rule. On each side, then solve. Okay, so here you have log base 10, right? Okay, so it's log 10. The base is the same because they're both log base 10, and since they're set equal to each other, and you only have one log, I have one log on the left, I have one log on the right. I can now drop it and just solve a regular equation. And it's just a 2-step equation. And so you get three? Yeah? Okay. Okay, so now if say we move to 11, we'll try, oh, by the way, we won't do natural logs. So if it's ln, yeah, just skip, you can skip this one, 13. Okay, so if you're looking at 11, I have one log here, so this is good. Okay, this is not so good. See how I have 2 logs? I have 2 log terms. Okay, you have log base 4, log base 4. Do you see the subtraction there? That's the quotient property, right? So that means I'm going to make a fraction, and I know I'm writing a lot more. So, yeah? Right, quotient, right? If you're subtracting, it's a fraction. First term's the numerator, second term's the denominator. Okay, and so now you have log, and so you can now just create an equation and just solve it. Okay, how do you want to solve it? Cross product property? CPP? Do you remember this? With Miss Williams? Okay. Good times. Okay, so now you can cross, right? Cross product property, so I can multiply here, right? So this becomes 3 times 2x plus 1. So let me just write this step, but if you guys want to skip it and you want to go straight to this next step, that's fine. So if you want to go straight to here, because you already understand 3 times 2x is 6x, 3 times 1 is 3, you can go straight to that step. Okay, I'm running out of space, so you should get x is what?
X is
a decimal, right? Negative 1/5? Yeah, okay, negative 1/5. Okay, so I'll let you be, I'll stop the video, but that's just it. If the logs are the same, and you have one log term and one log term, drop it, make an equation of the argument, that whatever in the parentheses. Your argument, your value, that's what we call them. Is that okay? Not bad, right? Serious face, George. Okay.